Hello children, this is class 6 physics class. Children, in the previous class you have learned about magnetism. Now we are going to learn chapter 1 matter. In this chapter we will learn about matter, a state of matter and change in a state of matter. So let us start from matter, whom we will say matter. According to science, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything that we see around us like rocks, trees, vehicles, human, animal and food items is made up of matter. In fact, the whole universe is composed of matter in different forms. Children, matter is made up of various elements combined in different proportion. What it is written? Matter is made up of various elements combined in different proportion. Element. So let us see what is an element. An element is a substance which cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical means. Now, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of an element which may or may not have an independent existence but always take part in chemical reaction. Now, children, we will see what is a molecule. An English chemist, John Dalton, experimentally found that matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. Two or more atoms combined are combined to form a molecules. A molecule is the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently and retain all its physical and chemical properties. Children, keep it in your mind. See, in atom we have seen that atoms may or may not exist independently, but here we have seen molecules can exist independently and retain all its physical and chemical properties. Understand? Now see, molecules can either be made up of the same type of atoms like the molecule of oxygen O2 and molecule of hydrogen H2, or different types of atoms like water molecule H2O and carbon dioxide molecules CO2. The size of atoms and molecule is very small. It is very difficult to observe them even with a powerful microscope. Children, now we will learn about the characteristics of molecules. The first characteristics of molecules are very small in size. The size of molecules or particles is so small that it is very difficult to see them with unaided eyes. The size of the molecule is of the order of 10 power minus 8 to 10 power minus 10 meter. Next, the second characteristic is molecules have a space between them. Though very large in number, the molecules are arranged in material in such a way that there is a space between them. The space between the molecules of a substance is called the intermolecular space or intermolecular distance. Now, third characteristics is molecules are constantly moving. Children, molecules are never at rest. They are in constant random motion. By random motion, we mean that the molecules are in zigzag motion rather than moving along a fixed defined path. It is due to this zigzag motion of the molecules of air that when we spray perfume at the one corner of the room, we can smell its fragrance in the entire room. Similarly, when we burn an incense stick, its fragrance is spread everywhere in the room because of the zigzag motion of air molecules. Now children, we will see the fourth characteristics of the molecules. It is molecules attract each other. Molecules always attract towards each other. Due to this attraction, the molecules are bound together. This force of attraction between the molecule is known as intermolecular force of attraction. The intermolecular force of attraction varies from material to material, and this is why different substances have different properties, such as some are hard like rocks, some are in a small crystal like sugar, and others present in powdered form. Children, the intermolecular force of attraction is of two types. First, force of cohesion. the force of attraction that exists between similar kind of molecule is called the force of cohesion. It is due to the cohesive force that molecules of a substance bind together. For example, the force of attraction existing between molecules of water, mercury, wood, glass, etc. is force of cohesion. Second, force of addition. The molecules of different substances exert force of attraction on each other. The force of attraction that exists between different type of molecule is called the force of addition. For example, when you empty a glass of water, you will see some drops still sticking to the glass surface. This wetting of glass is due to the adhesive force between glass and water. Understand, children? So today this much only, and rest topic we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you and take care.